Hi friends! I'm going to the French Alps. I've been getting ready for this for a while now, and I have a list of important things to do. The most important thing is to complete the mission without getting sick because it's going to be super cold where I'm going. Yes. So, what should I do to not get sick? Okay, let's take a look to my notes. The first note is, I should wear thick and warm clothes. Remember thick and warm? Yes, yeah. But wait, there's a spelling error. Yes, should. I wrote it without the O. Let me just correct that. Okay, yes. Yeah, hey! And thank you! I got a snack bar. Woohoo! Okay. What else? My second note is, I shouldn't drink warm water. Huh? Hold on. Yeah, I get it. There's a mistake. There's something wrong. Shouldn't is wrong in this sentence. Of course, I should drink warm water for my hike. Let me just correct that. I'm going to erase that N, that apostrophe, and that T. Goodbye. And from shouldn't, now we just leave should. Thank you. And oh, I got an apple as well. Oh, yes. All right. I thought something else. I should take my clothes off. Huh? What? No, of course not. Yeah, I shouldn't take my clothes off. Yeah, it's definitely not right to do that. Okay, so let's correct that by adding now the letter N, the apostrophe, and the T. Great! Okay, should not or shouldn't. Look at that. Oh! Great! Look! I got an apple, a bottle of water, and 2 snack bars. Yoo-hoo! I'm more than prepared for my hike.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right, let's keep learning how to use the modal verb should. Remember, here we have now 2 options. What does it mean? What does it mean? What is the meaning of this verb? This means that something is recommendable to be done, or this means that something is required to be done. Required to be done will be like an obligation. It's 100%. And recommendable should be like a 70% or 80%. So remember that should is this option is something recommendable. Okay? So this is what we would say should means. Great? And now, seeing these beautiful words here, and we have the question, the following question asking us, let's get ready for a hike. Yes, a hike. Order the following words creating sentences that make sense. What should I do to not get sick? Okay, so here we have the first words. And let's start with you, okay, which is the personal pronoun. You, that is the number 1. You should, that is the number 2. You should wear, number 3. You should wear, number 3. Thick. And warm clothes. Okay? Yes? You should wear thick and warm clothes. That would be the right order for these ones here. Let's go for the second set of words. Again, the first one is the personal pronoun you. That is what it makes the most sense. You should, again, you should. We don't want to get sick. What should I do? You should not. Oops, sorry, I forgot the number 2. You should not drink. You should not drink water. No, you should not drink cold water. Cold water. That is the right order for this second set of words. And finally, let's go for the last set of words. Again, we have you. You should. You should not. You should not. You should not take. You should not take your take off. Yes, sorry. Off is the number 5 and 6. Your is 6. So you should not take off your clothes. Yes, of course you shouldn't. Yeah, you will get sick otherwise. Yes? So let's read the 3 sentences now. You should wear thick and warm clothes. 1. You should not drink cold water. 2. And you should not take off your clothes. 3. Great!